welcome you all to this wonderful session of moods and figure, that is class number 3. So आज के इस लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट कंडीशनली वैलिड फॉर्म्स. ओके, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट आर मूड्स, व्हाट आर फिगर, और देन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट unconditionally valid forms. Okay, now in the today's session we are going to discuss about conditionally valid forms. What are these conditionally valid forms? ठीक है. Okay, now if you see, देखिए लास्ट जो सेशन में मैंने बताया था these unconditionally valid forms किस टेबल पे थे? बूलियन पे थे, है ना? बूलियन टेबल था वो. Now today's session will deal with Aristotelian table. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, एरिस्टोटल ने ये जो एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल था, एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल में कंडीशनली वैलिड फॉर्म्स के बारे में बताया गया. राइट, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द टॉपिक्स फॉर डिस्कशन. द टॉपिक्स फॉर डिस्कशन विल बेसिकली द फिगर्स. ओके, देयर आर 4 फिगर्स. सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फर्स्ट फिगर ऑफ एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल. सेकेंडली वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सेकेंड फिगर ऑफ एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल. थर्डली थर्ड फिगर ऑफ Aristotelian table, and fourthly the fourth table we are going to discuss. Right, so these are the topics for discussion because these are only the main things to discuss. अब हम लोग फर्स्ट फिगर से हम लोग शुरू करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर फर्स्ट फिगर. हम लोग इस सेशन में वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस फिगर्स. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट ऑल योर फिगर्स एंड द वैलिडिटी टेस्ट बिकम्स क्लियर टू यू. ठीक है, आपको पूरा वैलिडिटी टेस्ट इसका क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि कैसे हम लोग इसको चेक करेंगे इन एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल. बूलियन टेबल का मैंने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लास में बता दिया है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर फर्स्ट फिगर, दैट इज सी लेट्स टेबल देखने से पहले जो फर्स्ट फिगर है उसको देखने से पहले लेट्स वंस सी द एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल. एरिस्टोटेलियन टेबल अगर अभी तक आपने एक कॉपी में नोट डाउन नहीं किया है तो उसको नोट डाउन कर लो. सो द टेबल इज ऑफ दिस फॉर्म. ये है आपका टेबल जिसपे व्हाट यू कैन सी इज, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि बहुत सारे वैलिड फॉर्म्स है. 256 आर वैलिड फॉर्म्स है टोटल, लेकिन टोटल 256 फॉर्म्स है सॉरी, लेकिन उसमें से वैलिड कितने हैं? वैलिड आर ओनली 24. राइट, 24 सिर्फ वैलिड है. कैसे थे? 15 आर व्हाट? 15 वेयर अनकंडीशनल, है ना? 15 वेयर अनकंडीशनल. नाउ दीज रिमेनिंग 9 जो कि आज के सेशन में करेंगे, दीज आर कंडीशनली वैलिड. ओके, दीज आर कंडीशनली वैलिड. एज यू कैन सी, फिगर 1 comprises of 2 forms. Again figure 2 have 2 forms, so 4 we have covered. Figure 3 also have 2 forms, that means 6 we have covered, and figure 4 comprises of 3 forms. So how many we have covered? We have covered total 9 forms. ठीक है, so these are 9 valid forms which are in the Aristotelian table. Correct? Now let's see, let's check the first figure. तो सबसे पहला फिगर पे हम लोग जाएंगे. Let's see the first figure. Now in this figure, सबसे पहला बात, very carefully इसको सुनो. Very carefully you have to understand each and everything. For the first figure, the conditionally valid syllogisms are. तो syllogisms जो है वो क्या क्या है? पहला तो एक जो आप ये चीज जान लो कि ये जो फर्स्ट फिगर होता है उस पर क्या होता है. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द फर्स्ट फिगर का जो शेप है वो कैसा होता है. देखिए, शेप वाज लाइक दिस, एम पी, और फिर क्या होता था हमारा, दिस मिडिल टर्म, दे वर डायगोनली ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर, है ना? ऐसा था, और यहां पर सब्जेक्ट आ गया. सो दिस वाज द फॉर्म as you can see in this table also, figure 1 table also, this one, right? We are not considering the conclusion part. हम लोग को ये 2 premises को हम लोग को देखना है. Now let's see what are the syllogisms, valid syllogisms के forms हम लोग देखेंगे अभी. Right, we will consider all the 3 premises, that means all the 3 sentences. Those are major premise, minor premise, and the conclusion. If you observe, we have 2 forms in the first figure. These 2 valid forms are, one is AAI and one is EAO. Right, now we will see and check the validity for these 2 forms with examples. हम लोग एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझेंगे कि इन फॉर्म्स में सम आर वैलिड सम आर इनवैलिड, एंड बिफोर चेकिंग द वैलिडिटी वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू नोटिस दैट सी these are valid only if S exists. Very carefully इसको कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लो. You have to note it down because this is the most crucial and important point, right? This will be valid only if, see, sometimes what exactly happens is major premise, your minor premise, your conclusion. Suppose we are taking the form of AAI. I'm taking the form of AAI. And you are given 3 sentences which are fulfilling this criteria. That means first one is having all, second is also having all, and the third one is having some. Your criteria is fulfilled. There is no issue with the criteria. That means but you cannot simply tick for this AAI and in figure number 1, right? Because to test the validity of this form for the Aristotelian table, you have to check whether S exists or not. If S, that is the subject, that is, we will check in the conclusion part. If the subject exists, then we can say that this form is valid in Aristotelian table, right? Now let's check and understand with the examples. So let's see the example. अब एग्जाम्पल में बात करेंगे तो लेट मी टेक 3 sentences first. So I am taking these 3 sentences. Now see what exactly is happening. If you see, first sentence is saying all dragons are fire breathers. All dragons are fire breathers. That means what exactly we are using here is we are using the form A, right? Secondly, it is saying all lizards are dragons. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, let me put this table, that is, yeah, this one. Okay, this table will be required because now we are checking for AAI. See, first we are checking for AAI, right? And this example is for AAI. If you see, it is saying all dragons are fire breathers. That means form for the first is A. Secondly, we are having all lizards are dragons. Again, we are having A. Therefore, some lizards are fire breathers. So, some lizards are fire breathers. That means what exactly we are using? Some is used. So, we can say it to be I. We can say it to be I. So, I आ गया. That means the form is AAI, right? AAI. And what was the condition? What was the necessary condition? The necessary condition was, that means S should exist. That means the subject should exist. Now if we check the conclusion, that is the third sentence, what we are getting? We are getting the subject is what? Lizards. Lizards is the subject. So what we can see here, we can see that lizards exist, which is the subject. So it is valid form. That means this AAI form is valid. Clear? Chaliye. If this is clear, now we can proceed to the second example. If you see the second example, it is saying all flying things are winged things. All flying things are winged things. That means again the form is A. Again, second, if you check, all dragons are flying things. That means again you are using A. Some dragons are winged things. Some is used here. That means again we will say it to be I. So again the formation is again same. It is AAI. But is it valid? We have to check the validity test, and we know for validity checking test the subject must exist. And what is the subject here? We can see some dragons are winged things, and in the conclusion if you see, dragons is the subject, but do dragons exist? क्या dragons exist करता है क्या? नहीं करता है. So you will simply say as the dragons don't exist, so it is invalid form. See, very simple. इससे सिंपल कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. आई हैव मेड थिंग्स वेरी सिंपल फॉर यू, और होप आपको एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर समझ में आ गया होगा. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट ईच एंड एवरी फॉर्म इज क्लियर टू यू. आई विल बी शोइंग valid form, invalid form and examples Okay, we will be doing with examples. I've shown you for this AAI formation now, right? Now again we are going to check for this time EAO form, and same way as we have seen in this form, we will be checking for EAO, and the validity test will be made for both valid and invalid, when it is valid, when it is invalid. Okay, so let's see the next formation. And okay, now see, okay, let me put both the example, both the forms and the chart in front of you. Okay, so the chart is appearing here. We are checking for EAO now. Let me see now. No wizards are witches. No wizards are witches. That means we are using E here. Okay, we are using E here. Secondly, it is given all old people are wizards. All is coming. That means we are using A, right? Thirdly, we are using some old people are witches. Some means I will come, right? Some means I will come. And what we got the form is, we got the form A, E, sorry, it should be O. It should be O because it is here used not, right? As we were having the forms A, E, I, O. I means some, right? And O means some not. And here it is saying not about only some. It is saying some old people are not witches, not witches. So it's the formation of EAO. Now the form is clear. Now let's check for the validity. For validity checking, if you see, what we require is, we require a subject. Subject should exist. Now here what is the subject? If you see in the conclusion part, old people is the subject here, and we know old people exist. So as old people exist, so what we can say is, we can say that it is valid. Clear? So ये valid form हो गया. Now let's check in the same way manner for the second example. अब second example अगर आप देखोगे, in the second example we can see no old people are energetic. That means again the formation is for E, as no is used. Secondly, we are again seeing for all wizards are old people. That means A is used. Some wizards are not energetic. Some wizards are not energetic. That means again the formation is of O. So we got EFO formation, and now we will check for the validity. If we check for the validity, we will see the subject term, right? And if you see the subject term, then subject term is we are getting is wizards. And do wizards exist? Wizards exist only in stories, not in reality. So we will simply say, as wizards don't exist in this practical world, so it is invalid. Clear? एकदम crystal clear. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We discussed both the two forms, AAI, we discussed EAO. दोनों forms को discuss कर लिया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. Right? Now चलिए. Now let's see and proceed for the second figure. अब हम लोग सेकंड फिगर को देख लेते हैं. सेकंड फिगर में अगर आप देखोगे, फॉर द सेकंड फिगर द कंडीशनली वैलिड सिलोगिज्म्स आर. तो सिलोगिज्म्स क्या क्या है उसको हम लोग पहले देख लेते हैं. राइट, दीज आर द सिलोगिज्म्स. एंड फिगर क्या होता है सेकंड फिगर के लिए? सेकंड फिगर के लिए इफ यू सी हियर, फिगर होता है, आपको मैंने जैसे प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बताया हुआ है, प्रीवियस सेशंस में, व्हाट वी सी इज वी सी द मिडिल टर्म्स इन अ कॉलम, इन दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द सेकंड कॉलम. हम लोग को जो मिडिल टर्म्स दिखते हैं वो सेकंड कॉलम पे दिखते हैं. राइट, क्लियर है? सेकंड फिगर इज क्लियर. नाउ लेट्स चेक. अब वैलिडिटी टेस्ट के लिए हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? लाइक इन द फर्स्ट फिगर वी वेर लुकिंग फॉर सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज द एस. अगेन द केस इज सिमिलर एंड वी विल फॉर दिस टाइम ऑल्सो चेक फॉर एस. वी विल चेक फॉर द सब्जेक्ट्स एग्जिस्टेंस इन द कंक्लूजन. अगर सब्जेक्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है तो अभी हम लोग बोलेंगे कि दिस इज कंडीशनली वैलिड फॉर्म. तो वैलिड फॉर्म्स हम लोग सबसे पहले कौन सा डिस्कस करेंगे? वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग फॉर AEO एंड लेटर ऑन वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग फॉर EAO. हम लोग दोनों को डिस्कस करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी एंड चेक फॉर द एग्जाम्पल्स. तो मैं सारे दोनों एग्जाम्पल्स को पुट फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ. लेट मी प्लेस दोज एग्जाम्पल्स एंड द चार्ट. ओके, तो चार्ट हम लोग को दिख गया है. नाउ लेट्स चेक the first example. All unicorns are magical horses. All is coming, right? All is coming. That means A is coming. no bears are magical horses. No means I can say it's E, right? Some bears are not magical, not magical. See, some not is coming, that means I can simply say it to be O. So what we got, the formation is AEO. Certainly we are getting this form AEO. Now let's check for the validity. Now validity फिर check करेंगे. अब validity जब check करने जाओगे, what exactly we can see is we have to check for the subject. Now what is the subject here? We can see clearly the subject is bears, right? And do bears exist? Yes, certainly bears exist. So what I can say, that when bears are existing, so we can say it to be valid. So that means this is a valid form. That means this is a valid form of AEO, which lies in second figure of the Aristotelian table. Clear? Things are clear. Now let's check for the second figure, second example. Now for the second example, if you see, again we will see the check for the formations. All kingfishers are birds, so definitely A is coming. No unicorns are bird, no unicorns, no is coming, that means I will again say it to be E. Some unicorns are not kingfishers, some is coming and not is coming, that means I can certainly say it to be O. So formation is clear. Now let's check for the validity. If we see for the validity, we check for the validity, then the subject term which will be here is this time unicorns, and unicorns means which exists only in the mythology, in the mythological stories, right? Which it is a horse which have a single horn. But do unicorns exist in practical life? कभी आपने unicorns देखा है? नहीं देखा है ना? That means this does not exist, so we can say it to be invalid. तो ये फॉर्म क्या हो गया? इनवैलिड हो गया. सो यू आर क्लियर विथ वैलिड फॉर्म, यू आर क्लियर विथ इनवैलिड फॉर्म, दोनों आपको क्लियर हो गए. करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स चेक फॉर द अदर फॉर्म, दैट इज EAO. अभी EAO देखेंगे, राइट? तो चलिए उसका एग्जाम्पल हम लोग अभी लेते हैं. लेट्स टेक बोथ द एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर वैलिड एंड इनवैलिड, एंड नेक्स्ट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग. ओके, तो टेबल आपका आ गया है. EAO के लिए हम लोग अभी चेक करेंगे. लेट्स चेक फॉर द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. अब बोल क्या रहा है? नो फेरीज आर वर्लॉक्स. नो फेरीज आ गया, दैट मीन्स वी कैन से इट टू बी E. ऑल स्कॉटिश पीपल आर वर्लॉक्स, सो वी कैन से इट टू बी A as all is coming. Some Scottish people are not fairies, some is coming, so we can say it to be O, because some Scottish people are not बोल रहा है, are not है, that means we can say it to be O. So the formation is EAO. Clear? Now what we need to see is we need to check the subject. What is the subject here? Subject is Scottish people, so definitely we can say Scottish people do exist. So when Scottish peoples do exist, we can say it to be valid form. Clear? Okay. Now let's check for the second example. Same way, it is saying no Greeks are Irish. No Greeks are Irish means we can say it to be E form, right? Again, secondly, we are having all leprechauns are Irish. All leprechauns are Irish. So all is coming, so I can say it to be A. Some leprechauns are not Greek. Are not आ रहा है. Some are not. That means the formation is again for O. So the form we are getting is to be EAO, right? Now whether it is valid or not valid, we have to check. Now for the validity test, we will again see for the subject. We will again look for the subject, and as you can see, the subject here is leprechauns, right? And if we talk about the leprechauns are, जिनको पता नहीं वो जान लो, leprechauns जो एक मैजिकल क्रिएचर है इन आयरिश स्टोरीज, आयरिश के स्टोरीज में था वो. दिस इज अ मैजिकल क्रिएचर which does not exist in practical world, so it is invalid. देखिए बात एकदम सिंपल है, आपको एग्जिस्टेंस देखना है. फिगर 1 में भी मैंने एग्जिस्टेंस देखा, किसका? सब्जेक्ट का. फिगर 2 में भी मैंने सब्जेक्ट का एग्जिस्टेंस देखा. जैसे ही आपका ये हो जाएगा क्लियर, तो फॉर्म्स विल बी वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर. आपको फॉर्म्स को याद कर लेना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू सिंपली ब्रश अप, इफ़ यू डू अ बिट ऑफ ब्रश अप. देखिए आप अगर देखो इसका फॉर्म्स आपको अगर याद करना हो, मैं एक छोटा सा ट्रिक बताता हूँ. जैसे इसका AE है, देखिए फिर ये ऑल्टर हो गया, EA हो गया, फिर OO सेम. देखिए आप इस तरीके से ट्रिक लगा लो जिससे आपको ये फॉर्म्स भी याद हो जाए, और बाकी वैलिडिटी का आपको याद करना है, राइट? नाउ लेट्स सी थर्ड फिगर. तो थर्ड फिगर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. इट शुड बी थर्ड फिगर. फॉर थर्ड फिगर, चलिए थर्ड फिगर के लिए सिलोगिज्म्स जो है, दीज आर द सिलोगिज्म्स. ओके, दीज आर द सिलोगिज्म्स. नाउ सी, अभी इसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस क्या है, ये थर्ड फिगर आप ले लो. थर्ड फिगर के लिए हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? कंडीशनली वैलिड सिलोगिज्म्स आर कैसे है? वन इज AAI, right? We are getting AAI and other is EAO. So these are the two forms. Now for checking the validity, what is given? These are valid only if M exists. जब इस बार डिफरेंस क्या है? फॉर द थर्ड फिगर these syllogisms, these formations will be valid only if M exists. That means the middle term, that means this time the middle term must exist. If the middle term exists, then only we can say it to be valid form, right? तो चलिए let's see for this AAI form first. हम लोग दोनों टर्म देखेंगे for validity test of both valid and invalid. अब इसको अगर आप देखोगे, let me show you. ओके चलिए टेबल आपका आ गया AEO. नाउ अगर आप देखोगे तो इसमें हम लोग को क्या दिख रहा है? ऑल एंशियंट टोम्स आर स्पेल बुक्स. एंशियंट ऑल आ रहा है ना? ऑल मीन्स वी कैन सिंपली राइट ए. ऑल एंशियंट टोम्स आर थिंग्स दैट टीच यू मैजिक. अगेन ए इज कमिंग बिकॉज ऑल इज कमिंग. Thirdly, it is saying some things that teach you magic are spell books. Some things, some is coming, so I can simply say it to be O, right? O is coming. As we have all the forms A, E, I, O, right? Now what exactly is here is, wait a second. Just wait a second. See, a small correction is required here. Actually, there is a typing mistake here. It should be I actually, right? Now it's okay. It should be I. So as we are checking for AEI, and here some is coming only, not is not coming. So we will be taking the form it to be, this is A, this is A again. Sorry. All ancient terms are things that teach you magic now. Okay, let me check the form actually. I think there is a mistake here. Let me check the form. See, this is AAI. I'm showing you. This is AAI. That's why there is a mistake. Okay. तो आप इसको करेक्शन कर लो. Here the formation should be AAI. Now it's clear. This is AAI. Okay. तो AAI हो गया. अब फर्स्ट फॉर्म वी आर चेकिंग फॉर AAI ओनली. सो ऑल के लिए हम लोग क्या लेंगे? A लेंगे. Second, again we have all, we will take again A. For some, only some is coming, some is not coming, so I will take it to be I. So form is clear. AAI is the form. Now when the form is clear, you can see here that AAI formation is here, but what should I check for the validity test? I must see the subject. Sorry, in this case third figure we have to check the middle term. Now middle term means the common term in two premises. जैसे मैंने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में बोला था, जो भूल गया है, मिडिल टर्म इज द कॉमन टर्म बिटवीन टू द प्रीमाइसेस. सो व्हाट इज द मिडिल टर्म हियर? एंशिएंट टर्म्स इज द मिडिल टर्म, एंड वी नो एंशिएंट टर्म्स एग्जिस्ट. एंशिएंट टर्म्स मीन्स दीज आर एंशिएंट बुक्स के बारे में बात हो रहा है. दीज आर टर्म्स आर बुक्स एक्चुअली. सो दीज बुक्स एग्जिस्ट, सो आई कैन से इट टू बी वैलिड. क्लियर? क्योंकि इसका एग्जिस्टेंस है. नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. अब इनवैलिड फॉर्म वाला देखते हैं. अब क्या बोल रहा है? ऑल स्पेल बुक्स आर एंशिएंट टोम्स. ऑल स्पेल बुक्स आर एंशिएंट टोम्स. ऑल आ गया तो फिर वी विल से अगेन टू बी ए. ऑल स्पेल बुक्स आर डस्टी थिंग्स. अगेन वी विल टेक इट टू बी ए. सम डस्टी थिंग्स आर एंशिएंट टोम्स. अगेन वी विल से इट टू बी आई नाउ. सो द फॉर्म इज अगेन AAI. नाउ द फॉर्मेशन इज AAI, but the question is here, what we can see is the middle term. Which is the middle term? The common term, that is spell books. Spell books is here. So we are getting the middle term to be spell books. Spell books means these are magical books ना, where spells are mentioned. क्या वो exist करता है रियल लाइफ में? नहीं करता है. Magical spell books exist नहीं करता है. Don't exist. So it is invalid. देखिए कितना सिंपल था, आपको सिर्फ वैलिडिटी टेस्ट करना है एंड आपको ये रिमेंबर करना है कि फर्स्ट 2 फिगर में आपको क्या चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट चाहिए वैलिडिटी टेस्ट के लिए, थर्ड फिगर में आपको चाहिए मिडिल टर्म चाहिए। क्लियर है? तो मेरा ए आई फॉर्म जो है वो क्लियर हो गया। नाउ लेट्स चेक फॉर द अदर फॉर्म दैट इज ई ए ओ। अब ई ए ओ फॉर्म को देखेंगे इन द सेकेंड। चलिए आपको मैंने एग्जांपल्स शो कर दिए हैं। चलिए इधर भी एरर है, ये वाला आप देखिए, ई ए ओ ही देखना है, अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। दिस वन यू डोंट, दिस इज ए आई ओनली and here we have EAO. We will be checking for EAO formation. Now E means no, right? A means all is coming, no energy drinks are potions. E, all energy drinks are things that give you wings. A is coming. Some things that give you wings are not potions. So some is coming, so I will simply say it to be O. So formation is EAO. Now for validity checking we will check for the middle term. Which is the middle term? We are seeing here energy drinks, we are seeing here again energy drinks. So energy drinks does exist, energy drink तो exist करता है, so this is valid. Simply simple, very simple. Now second example अगर आप देखोगे, no potions are energy drinks. Again no is coming, so I will consider it to be E. All potions are things that are in a cup. All is coming, that means I can say it to be A. Some things are in a cup are not energy drinks. Some things are not, some not is coming, so again O is to be used. So formation is EAO. Now for validity checking, again checking for the middle term. So which is the middle term here? If you check the middle term, potions is coming here, potions is coming here. So potion is some kind of a magical drink. Okay, potion is some kind of a magical drink. But does a magical drink exist? We can see that potions don't exist, which is the middle term, and so we will say it to be invalid. Clear? Concept is clear. So we are clear with first, second and third figure. Now we are moving forward to the fourth figure, which is the most important one and a bit complexer. Complexer कुछ नहीं है, but it's a bit lengthy because you have to remember a bit more, right? Because in these 3 figures we were only taking into consideration only a single thing, that is in the first figure we were checking for the subject in both the figures, and in the third case, that is the third figure checking, we were only checking for the middle term. But in the fourth figure it is not the same case, the case is a bit different. So let us understand what is the difference between the fourth figure and the remaining figures. Now the fourth figure, if you take the conditionally valid syllogisms are as follows. So figure, the formation of the figure, if I say the formation of the figure must be, see last one you can see here, the middle terms are crossing here, they are diagonally opposite, and P and M are S are like this. Okay, so you can see this one. Now if you see for this case, the difference you must see, in the forms. See, one difference here is that you can also see that there are how many forms here this time. In the other figures till now we have discussed, we have only 2 forms, right? But this time it's a bit longer also, that means 3 formations you have to check, and in these 3 formations there is also one thing you have to discuss, and that is for the first form this will be valid only if S exists. Form 1, see every formation, for every formation you have to check different thing, mind it, you have to note it down carefully. For the first form we will be checking for the existence of subject, that is S. For the second figure we will be checking for the middle term. For the third form we will be checking for the predicate. If P exists, देखिए क्लियर हो गया ना, डिफरेंस क्या है, एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर भाषा में समझा रहा हूँ, एवरीथिंग शुड बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. नाउ वी विल चेक each and every form with examples. Now let's take the first example, and we will check for both validity and invalid form, and you can see the formation coming over here. Okay, so first we are going to check for AEO, right? For we will be checking for AEO, this formation. Now you can see all airbenders are bald, that means I can say it to be A. No bald people are hair models, so I can say it to be E. Some hair models are not airbenders, some not is coming, so I will certainly take it to be O. So AEO formation is taken here. Now for validity test of the first form, for the first form, what I need to see? I need to see the subject. For the first form, I need to see the subject. So you can see in the conclusion part, the subject is hair models, and we simply know that hair models do exist, so we will say it to be valid. Clear? Now second example, for invalid form we are checking. Now what we are getting? All hair models are hair suit. A is coming. No hair suit people are airbenders. No is coming. That means again we will take E. Some airbenders are not hair models. Some airbenders are not. Some not is coming. So again we will say it to be O. So AEO formation is clear. Now we will check for the subject, and subject is here airbenders. So what are airbenders? As you can see in many Hollywood movies are also shown. That means it's an art where air is bended. It's some kind of for fighting purpose they are using this. They are bending the air. The person can have a definite skill. वो लोग मतलब पूरा हवा को घुमा देते हैं, वैसा कुछ करते हैं, right? So does it practically exist? No, airbenders don't exist. So it is invalid. So this is totally not valid. So this is wrong. Now, so this part, the first one is clear. Now let's check for the second formation, that is EAO. So we will check for EAO now. I will put forward both the example. तो दोनों example को मैं आपके screen पे रख देता हूँ, and the table also will be here. Okay. Now we can see no people with balanced chakras are angry people. No is coming, so I will simply say it to be E. All angry people are firebenders, so I will simply take it to be A. Some firebenders are not. Some not is coming. Some not is coming. That means O is coming. A, EAO, right? EAO formation is clear. Now what we can see is here we can see that angry people exist. अगर आप देखो angry people जो है, जो कि middle term है, देखिए सेकेंड टर्म के लिए हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? वी विल चेक फॉर मिडिल टर्म. फर्स्ट के लिए हम लोग देख रहे थे सब्जेक्ट टर्म. नाउ वी विल चेक फॉर द मिडिल टर्म. विच इज द मिडिल टर्म? मिडिल टर्म मीन्स द वर्ड दैट इज कॉमन इन बोथ द प्रीमाइसेस. नो एंग्री पीपल, और इधर भी आप देखो एंग्री पीपल. देखिए एंग्री पीपल एग्जिस्ट, सो दिस इज वैलिड. नाउ second example, no calm people are firebenders. No is coming, so I will simply take it to be E. All firebenders are angry people, so I will take it to be A. Some angry people are not. Some not is coming, so I will again take it to be O. For the validity test, I will check for the middle term. तो middle term इसमें क्या है? Firebenders is here, firebenders is here. So firebenders is the middle term. Same is the case. Firebender is an art of bending fire से जो वो काम करेगा, कुछ एक ऐसा काम करेगा, which does not exist. So this is invalid. Like we do, airbenders जैसे exist नहीं करता है, firebenders also don't exist in practical world. So this is invalid form. Clear? So both the forms are clear. Now we will check for the other form, that is AAI. So let's proceed to the next slide. Now if you see the next slide, दोनों एग्जाम्पल मैं आपके स्क्रीन पे रख देता हूँ अगेन. ओके, जो लास्ट फॉर्म है that is AAI, हम लोग इसको देखने वाले हैं. लास्ट फॉर्म को हम लोग देखने वाले हैं, राइट? और इस पे क्या था? कंडीशन वाज प्रेडिकेट P मस्ट एग्जिस्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी. ऑल हीलर्स आर वाटर बेंडर्स. ऑल इज कमिंग, सो आई कैन से इट टू बी A. ऑल वाटर बेंडर्स आर जेंटल. अगेन A is coming. Some gentle people are healers. Some is coming, so I will take it to be I. AAI, right? Now if you see, for validity test we will check for the predicate. So in the conclusion, if you see, the predicate is healers, and we know healers exist, so it is valid. Healers तो exist करता है, so ये valid है. Now the second example, all water benders are healers. So again A आ गया. All healers are gentle. Again A आ गया. Some gentle people are water benders. देखिए some gentle people are water benders. Some gentle people, some आ गया, तो I will take it to be I. So formation is AAI, right? Now here what we can see is water benders do exist, right? Water benders क्या exist करता है? Like air benders don't exist, like fire benders don't exist, water benders also don't exist. So I will simply say it to be invalid form. तो ये form क्या हो गया? Invalid form हो गया. So I have tried my best to make everything crystal clear and hope आपको ये सब कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा, right? Because सारे formations के लिए मैंने आपको I have shown each and every example for valid form, for invalid form, and there should be no doubt now, right? So you are clear with the conditionally varied form today. In the previous class you were clear with the unconditional forms. The basics are clear. Okay, so this much is for today. You have to note it down, all the things very properly in your notebook, so that there is no confusions left till your exams. Okay, कोई confusion नहीं रहेगा. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and joining with me.